Hello amazing dancers, I'm Leon from Leon E리 Dance School. Today I'll be teaching you the feather step in the foxtrot. What I learned from my coach, the Arunas Bizokas Katusha Demidova. They are my coach and this is what they told me. And I'm going to share that with you, 3 tips to improve your feather step that I've learned from them. So if you do not know who they are, Arunas Bizokas, they are world champions in standard dancing. Now, in the men's position, the foot position, I'm going to teach you the footwork. And it goes men, heel, toe, 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 heel. So, have to be very careful with the footwork. Do not do a different type of footwork because this heel, toe, 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 heel will give you a beautiful rise and fall. And now, for the ladies, we're going to do the footwork which is slightly different, which is toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. So, keep in mind that in the second step, man is doing a toe, but the lady is not doing a toe. The lady is doing a toe, heel. So, you have to be careful with that. And go toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. So, that is the footwork for the ladies. And now, I'm going to go into the foot position. In the foot position, the man will have a forward step, forward slightly diagonal, and now this right foot, you're going to go across onto the left foot, and this, we are in a CBMP position. If you want to know more, please write a comment below to see what is that CBMP position, okay? So once again, I'm going to show you for the man's foot position, we go forward, forward slightly diagonal, and we're going to go cutting across, and we're going to go into the next step. Okay, so that was the feather step for the men. Now I'm going to go into the ladies. Ladies, from here, I'm going to go toe, heel, and then from here, slightly to the right. And now, that's where the important part is. I need you to go behind your right foot. Okay, so if I do a normal speed, it's going to do something like this. So, it's slightly behind. So, can you see that? So, don't do too much, okay? And now, I'm going to go into the sway. So, in the sway, we want to have a right sway in this step. So, take a look. For the man, if you follow after me, see my shoulders. Okay? You can see I have a right sway, but I try not to drop my right side down, okay? So, now ladies, I have a left sway. Okay? Try not to drop it down. Left sway by bringing up the right shoulder. So, that is the way you should do it. Please stay till the end to know the secret that I'm going to reveal to you what I've learned from the world champion for the feather step. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get new videos in your inbox every time. Now, let me reveal to you the secret that I've learned from the world champion. And this secret is all in the feeling, yes? So for the men, when we do the feather step, what he told me was, when you go forward, I want you to feel the left body going up, okay? And that's how you create the sway. So you can see that my body have swayed to the right, but by creating that, my right shoulder is not dropping down, but my left shoulder is pulling me up. And I have to look and feel like a feather when I do the feather step. So when I have that slow, I will look very light in this step, okay? As for the ladies, the secret will be the same for the men. It comes from the feeling. I need you to feel when you go up, I want your right body to go up together. So you will feel that lightness in the right part of the body. So I'm going to show you. You're going to slow, you have that. Okay? So that is the secret.